up, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm opening up a draft pack of Kamigawa Neon Dynasty. Let me really quickly get this open. Okay, good to know that that was the most difficult thing to open. But let's get into this. 15 cards a pack. I'm not sure what I would actually be looking for. Neon cards, may contain neon cards. Okay, no, it does not have a pull tab. I haven't opened up Magic the Gathering in a long time, so forgive me if I don't remember everything. Hold on. 1 in 4 set which should contain a hand-picked card from Magic. Sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, that's the token. Network Terminal. Moonfolk Puzzle Maker. Light the Way. Careful. Gift of Wrath. Explainer. Kinemi, Restless Soul. Okay, that is our first. Okay, now we're into the common. Region of Truth. We have, whatever this is, Tech Weaker. Courtyard. Only Cold Anvil. Is that a stone? No, that is our rare Fable of Mirror Breaker, and ooh, this really cool fire. I don't remember what actual. Okay, let me put the rare over there. Yeah, you're gonna have to give me a minute to actually remember how to open up Magic. Because this is not a daily thing I open. We have Spell Pierce, Network Derivative, Spirit Companion, cute little dog, Kindled Fury, Reckoning Shadow Down, Fade Into, Restless Soul. We have a Jade thing, so we have another one of these cards that look like that. Modern Age, Assassin Ink, Bronze Plate Boar, Hot Shot Mechanic. Ooh, we have a borderless card, a mythic. That is a mythic of this person, and we have Blood Cavern Falls, Bloodfell Caverns, and a Spirit. So we hit a pretty nice, I think, mythic. What is it? It's okay. I was trying to look to see what percentage of chance of a foil, because currently we have not hit a foil. Automate Undercity, Bamboo Grove Archer, Mimicry Spear, Kitsune Ace. We have a Sunblade Samurai, Iron Hoof Boar, Alchemy Reckoning Raid, the Reinforced Ronin, Flame Discharge. We have a Fire. Wow, that is our rare. Ooh, we hit a foil Voltage Surge. And we have Planes? That's very... Hold on a minute. Something behind this. And we have a... Huh? Use this to replace a double-side face card. Weird. Okay. But we did hit one foil. But at least we hit is a single mythic. But that's going to be it for this video. If you do want to see more Magic, please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye!